Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your age on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. So what we're going to do is go over to the TikTok application and open that up, and then we're going to go to the top right and click on the three dots. And we're going to scroll down until you see support, and you want to click on report a problem. And then we're just going to scroll down to where it says select a topic, and under that we'll click on account and profile. And then we're going to want to click on editing profile. Then we're going to want to click on other. Still have a problem. And then here's just where you want to explain what happens. So you can say, hello, my age on my profile is incorrect. I would like to change it. And if you want, you can even add a picture of like your ID or something like that if you want to prove that your age is wrong. And you can do that just by clicking the pictures button right here and by adding that picture in. And once you're done, you can just click on the report button. And then it'll just let you know that thanks for your feedback, and it will add you into this chat here where you'll hear back from TikTok. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.